1979 Kawasaki Intruder 440. Picked this thing up pretty cheap. Serviced it, put fresh gas in it, cleaned the carbs, replaced fuel lines, and it runs pretty good. We might test her out even though we only got an inch or two of snow. See what's under the hood of this bad boy. Oh, and there's only 1,400 original miles. Engine, everything, I believe is all original. It's got that Kawasaki 440 twin in it. Twin carbs. This thing even came with like 2 or 3 extra belts in that little box over there. Oh, look at that fan. Some people might think it's a turbo, baby. Oh yeah, look at that Kawasaki emblem. Should we see if it'll start first pull? Maybe? Nah, maybe a little choke. Oh, letting the woman ride the old Kawasaki 440. That thing eats, bud.